Hi everyone, I am Professor Stitt. I'm here to welcome you to Accounting Fall of 2019. I have been teaching accounting for over 16 years and have 3 kids who are 16, 15, and 11. We also have a dog, cat, chickens, horse, and 2 goats. They keep me busy. My job here is to help you succeed. However, it's not only up to me. Success takes a fair amount of work on your part. So let's take a look at our course. Over here is our Blackboard course menu. This little arrow right here at the top lets you fold up and fold down that menu. You always want to see the course menu. The next item we're going to look at is the announcements. Click on the announcements each time you log in my class. You will always want to see what's going on in our classroom. The next area is Getting Started. Click on Getting Started and read my note. You may need to click again to see the list of folders in Getting Started. There's a lot of great information in this area. Please review each item in Getting Started. The first item includes information on the online learning orientation that you must complete and submit that certificate in our introduction module. So that's right here. Now we're going to move on to course information. The first item here is instructor information. In instructor information, you have a little information about me and contact information, including McGraw-Hill support. As you move down, you will find the syllabus. Please open and read and print out, if you choose to, the syllabus. Your course schedule is at the end of the syllabus. Your next item is going to be your calendar. On your calendar, you'll find all the important dates for our course. I also believe you can link this calendar to your regular calendar if you do a little search on it. The final item in here is My Grades, which of course is, I'm sure, your favorite area. What I like to do, or what makes sense to me, is to sort this by due date oldest. So I can see the oldest items that I would have submitted at the beginning of the class, and I scroll down and I can see everything else that's due. The next major heading is going to be course content. Your first link in here is the ebook. So I put this in here so that you can easily access the ebook and the course resources that come with the publisher. The next item is going to be the introduction module, and this is where I said you would be submitting your online learning certificate. So make sure you complete all these items in here. You have an online learning certificate, getting started quiz, post in the introductions, you go through setup McGraw-Hill Connect, and you download your Respondus Lockdown browser and try out Respondus Monitor. In your course menu, the next item will be modules or content modules, and this is where you will find all your content for our course. The next item down, and each of these modules is a chapter, by the way. As you scroll down, the next item you'll see is a Principles of Accounting web link. This is a link to a website that's called principlesofaccounting.com. There's a gentleman, Larry, that developed a website with all sorts of cool information and videos on there, so that's a great resource for our course. The next area is discussion board. Notice the first link, or the next area, I'm sorry, is communications. Notice the first link is discussion board. If it is a general course question on what's going on in the course, or you can't find something, post it and ask the professor. If it's a personal question, you're going to move down and use course messages. I prefer all communication to stay within the course if possible. If it's an emergency or something you need immediately, please send me an email, a text, or call me. Finally, the last area is going to be web links, and these are links to some important CCBC resources. Again, please begin with the information in Getting Started. Once you've gone through the Getting Started, continue to the Introduction module, and then you may move on to Content modules. I'm looking forward to a successful class. Prof. Stitt.